Hi,
Hi,
my name is Jeremy,
my name's Sarah.
and we teach Level 2 at Uptown Swing, and this is Charleston month.
Week 2.
Thank you. We taught two different moves moving down a line. The first one is these kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We also went backwards. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, after that, we taught hand-to-hand Charleston and how to get into it, how to get out of it. So we got into it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, rock, step, double kick, kick, rock, step, double kick. That's how we got into it and how we got out of it. And next week, we'll do some moves in hand-to-hand Charleston. See you next week.